Hello guys, welcome to Proggy. Today I'll be showing you a new extension in Google Chrome, which is very cool. It is called Picture in Picture. So consider a case where you want your video which is playing on the screen on any website, not just YouTube, to show even when Google Chrome is in minimized condition. So how to do that? So you might have a thought that YouTube's mini player is actually good for that, no? Like here you see the mini player. If you just click on that, you get a small window rectangle sort of thing which you can resize and all. But remember that you can only take the rectangle inside your Chrome browser. You can't, if you try to minimize the window, it's gone. But the extension which I'm talking about will ensure that it stays even after getting minimized. So first, let us install the extension. Just go to the application menu, go to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official store of extensions. From here, just type Google PiP. Now you might have to do a little bit of searching. Can you see this? Picture in Picture extension by Google. And you will see the name Google also here. So just click on that. After that, click on Add to Chrome. Click on the button. That's it. It's done. And we have our PiP extension now added to Chrome. So after the extension is installed, it might disappear sometimes, but you can just click on this extension button and then from here just click on this and there should be a pin option. Okay, not the option is here actually. You just click on this pin button and it will be continuously here. So now let us test the extension. So video is playing. You just click on the PiP button. Now, if you see, that's the same thing, right? Again, but just see what happens if I minimize my Chrome tab. It is still functioning. The video is still playing. So now let us do one more test, but now not on YouTube, but on a different web page, a website. So we have opened Wikipedia here and let us play one video. And now click on the PiP button again in the menu bar. As you can see, same thing. You can see the video right anywhere. Now, if you experience issues like video not popping out, ensure that extension is enabled in your Chrome settings. Also, remember that not all websites support PiP mode natively, but the extension works on the most popular video sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and more. That's it for our quick tour of Google Chrome's Picture in Picture extension. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel Proggy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.